I'm Joshua Collins. I'm going to show you how I draw the solar system. Now, if you don't know how the solar system is, well, what it is, I'll show you. You know planet Earth, the planet you live on, it is in the solar system with 7 other planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And the Sun, did you think the Sun was ever on the Earth? Well, that is not true. The Sun, in fact, is bigger than all the planets. But the biggest planet is Jupiter, the 5th planet. Our Earth is the 3rd planet. There could be over 1,000 Earths could fit inside Jupiter, but over 1 trillion, which is the largest known number to me. Over 1 trillion, well, don't know if there is anything over 1 trillion, but about over 1 trillion Earths fit inside the Sun. Now I'm going to show you how to draw it. So first, you draw a big hemisphere, which that would be the Sun. That's just the Sun. If you want to do anything, if you've heard of solar prominences, big loops that come up in the Sun, of gas, Sun can be as big as 20 Earths. 20, 0, really big, loads. In fact, some solar prominences could fit 1,000 Earths. But if you want to do that, you can do that. In fact, I'm not doing that. Or you could do risers, which are shoots, jets that come out of the Sun. Or you could do solar flares, which are sort of the, sometimes you think the Sun is sort of drawn like that, which it isn't. Obviously mine here is a bit rubbish, if you can see, but the Sun is sometimes like that. Obviously these would be solar flares, but anyway, our Sun now would be like this. It is massive, and this would be Mercury. Obviously that would really be the size of Jupiter compared to the Sun, but that's Mercury. Quite a small planet, smallest planet in the solar system. Venus, even though Venus is, this is an amazing fact, even though Venus is the 2nd planet, Venus will be hotter. The Sun is really hot, hotter than Mercury, but Venus is hotter than Mercury, but the Sun is hotter than Venus. But Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun than Venus. Earth is the next planet. It is approximately the same size as Venus. If you don't know what approximately means, it means sort of. Anyway, Mars, similar to Mercury, just a bit bigger. It would look like that, smaller than Earth. Sometimes they say that even though these Venus and Earth look the same, they think that Earth might be a bit bigger than Venus. But Jupiter is the biggest planet. I draw it like this, but it's normally way bigger than that. I might have to do a cutting and do it on the next sheet, but this is Jupiter. Obviously it has lots of stripes. It's like a ginormous storm, Jupiter, except it's a big ball, which doesn't matter if it's a storm or not. Anyway, have you heard of the Great Red Spot? Well, if you've not heard of it, the Great Red Spot is a big storm. Guess what? This is an amazing fact. It's 3 times the size of Earth. It means it will fit 3 Earths inside it. Next planet is Saturn. Some people might know this quite well. It's my favourite planet, and some other people's favourite planet. If you want to guess what rings they're made of, I'll give you a bit of time. So that is that. I'll wait for you a bit. And if you probably are going to be wrong, they're made of, well, they're not really made of anything.